Slimy? Mudhole? My home this is!
Good morning, everybody, and this is not your typical office video that I'm making. As you can kind of see behind me, I am deep in the woods, and many of you have been following me on some of my social media, Facebook, Instagram, etc. The wife and I moved with our two kids, and I just dropped off the girl at the bus, so I wanted to show you some of the cool, at least barn part of it, because people have been asking, you know, what are you going to do with the barn and where's that going to go, and show us the good stuff, Eric. So over here behind me on my left shoulder is the garage that's attached to the house. The one on over my right shoulder is the actual barn itself, and what you see behind me is nothing but 7 acres of woods and quiet goodness in the kind of just north of St. Paul here in Minnesota. And it's just close enough to where if you want to go somewhere, you can go to Target, you can go watch a movie, but also not so not so close that you get all sorts of noises and things like that. I just scared off several deer over here who were nibbling on one of our trees, but nothing but 7 acres of pine and birch. So let's come with me for a little bit, and we'll take a quick peek at the barn as we move this way. There is a lake over there that we can take a peek. Now the idea being that since this is the house garage, this will be the clean area. It's nice and big for 2 cars with lots of extra room. Very nice little area, bricked in, excellent. Now one of the things that I do want to share with you about this barn is, here we go, right, is that the previous owner is a pretty nice guy. I met him a little bit. Let me just adjust that. I met the guy, pretty nice guy, but he was a bit of a handyman, and he said there's a number of things about this place that are pretty special. So let's go ahead and check it. Let's go on inside. Let's take a look here. So it's a little messy. Bear with me. Okay, we just moved in maybe 2 days ago, so not everything's set up yet, but I did turn on the lights so we can go check it out. Here we go. Not bad. Yeah. So it's a 30 by 40 building, and you've seen, got the Corvette here. We've got some stations set up, toolboxes, that sort of thing. A number of tools just sitting in a box waiting for me, because I need to build some benches over here. Now I want to talk to you a little bit about some philosophy that I have about myself and about how I kind of view things. Now I am not very good at woodworking. Matter of fact, I just downright suck at it. So that's what I'm going to be trying next. I'm going to be making a little wood shop over in this corner here, maybe extend it over here. I've got myself a table saw on order, and a couple other things too to kind of make this more fun. And the camera wants to focus on the Corvette, which is true. You probably want to as well. So a couple things about this barn that is really, really cool. The previous owner, like I said, the house is way overbuilt. Everything about this house is just immensely over-engineered, which, you know, it was one of the selling points for me, which is why I bought it. So one of the things is I learned later, but I had a sense this place was just insanely rock solid, is he told me that this place, including the drain down here at the bottom, is rebarred. So there's 18 inches of concrete plus rebar all the way through it. His plan apparently was to do put 2 RVs in here, because it's a 30 by 40 outbuilding with a nice large 18-foot door behind me. And his goal was going to put 2 RVs in here, and just never did it, and had to leave the place. So like I said, I got some stuff to work up, but it's all insulated along the sides. There's a little small area behind me that is not, but also the ceilings aren't either. So that's one project. The other project that I'm going to do is I've got a couple heaters. I got one of them chickens to come help me hardwire a couple heaters kind of up in this area, and then up in kind of over in that area over there. So that's step one, because I got to build some furniture. The wife wants a new desk. So I'm going to try my hand at that sort of stuff, and hopefully I can take some video of that, and you guys can see some of the furniture I'm going to try and build. Look, here's the thing. Okay, I am just going to tell you straight up front, I am not good at woodworking. I'm not even that great at metalworking, to be frank. I'm really not that good at even building cars, but I like doing it, and I think it's a lot of fun. And I will show you the screw ups. I'll show you the whole shebang, and the good and the bad of the journey. So I'll show you that stuff as we move along. But I wanted to show you the place. Let's give you a big. I'm gonna turn the camera around here, and I'm gonna show you just kind of give you the panorama. Okay, we're gonna back up. And like I said, I've got a fair amount of stuff I've got to take care of, but there she is. Okay, got to fix some lights. There's one burnt out there. I do need a bigger ladder. But yeah, so one of the things that I think is interesting is not only do we have this large door here, big 18-foot tall door, but we have this other area here, and if you follow me, we have this door. Okay, this door, you know, typical door like most doors. But what this houses is a very large awning. Okay, and this awning extends another few feet this way. And the guy was obsessed with like wood piles or something. Anytime a tree fell down, he had to cut it up. And there's got to be 10 or 15 of these things on the property just scattered throughout. There's one over there, and I can see a couple over here, but it's nothing but birch trees and pine, so I thought that was really cool. But yeah, check this out. It goes all the way back here, right? And it goes all the way around the side of it. So this barn is pretty darn cool, and I'm gonna do a lot of really cool stuff in here. And please, you know, if you're new to the channel, that'd be great. But otherwise, we're going to do some wood stuff in here. People had asked me, you know, hey Eric, show us the barn, show you know, that's the good part. The house is cool and everything like that. But you know, show us the good stuff. So believe it or not, it is amazing how much stuff you think you have until you get into a big space. So I thought I had everything kind of set up in my old place, and I have all this extra room. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. Okay, I can't put it in the other garage because I need to park my truck there in the winter. And I can't park my truck in here because it's not fully heated yet. So that doesn't make a lot of sense. And if I build some wood shop over there, the Corvette's just gonna get dirty. I don't know, do I kind of park it over there for now? I don't want to park it in the middle, because if I park it right in the middle, then I can't back my truck in to unload things and start building some other stuff. So that's kind of the conundrum that I'm dealing with. I don't know where to put that for now. And I got a car cover for it, and I'll put the car cover on it, but I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Maybe here, you know, might be okay. I don't know. Maybe like right there. It's just temporary. You know, I'll probably move it into the other garage in the summertime. But yeah, I don't know exactly where to put it. So just kind of sitting in the middle all by its lonesome there. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. Let me know. So anyway, those of you who wanted to see the barn, here it is. It's cool. It is ridiculously strong underneath. I've got a drain there as well. You know, we're gonna probably do some wood stuff over there, and you'll see kind of, who knows, it might be some abomination, might be turned into some really expensive firewood. But anyway, those of you who want to see it, there it is. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Get one big, you know, look at that big door behind me. We do need to insulate it, and yeah, I'm excited about this house. I think it's great, and I got some tools here. I bought myself an actual miter saw, so hopefully, you know, I'm not a complete rank amateur when it comes to doing that stuff. So I got to figure this place out. I thought a great idea. Oh, sorry, I was going to end this, but now I don't want to. I was thinking. There's a place near me that just gives out free pallets all the time. So I was going to collect a bunch of pallets, and so instead of, you know, using this kind of fiberboard stuff that you see behind me, I was going to use the pallet wood to just fill this in, so that at least I had something solid against the walls, and it was cheap, and really just took my time. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. I think that would be kind of cool. But, you know, let me know a couple things. You know, where should I really park this thing? Because even though the garage door is pretty wide, I do need to use this space where the workbench is. And maybe and maybe I don't. Maybe I can move the workbench over there. I don't know. There's a lot going on here that I don't quite have under wraps yet. So that's kind of it. Thanks for joining me. And yeah, if you got ideas, let me know in the down below. That would be really helpful. And yeah, have a good rest of the day, guys. I gotta go back inside. I gotta actually do some work here. So see you guys later.